Hi folks, back again, Bathrobe Chronicles on the road. Last month I showed you what it looked like outside, so I thought before the place gets all crudted up with all of our belongings and everything, I'd show you what the cabin or cottage looks like on the inside. As I mentioned before, there are 4 of these, and they're all decorated differently. They're all actually different as far as how big they are, but the arrangements are pretty much the same. They all have decent selection of books, terrific decorating. And they all have the fireplaces, and many of them go from one room to the other. And of course there's always a nice touch. There's always a note waiting for you. A couple of mints. Let's see, into the bathroom here. Whoops, there I am. Okay, jacuzzi kind of place here. And this one, I really like this bed in here. This is a neat old bed. As I said, you know, they're all decorated. If you look around, all the little touches. As far as decorating goes, the decorations, excuse me. Pretty neat. And more books. This cabin might be the only one that has an exit from the bedroom out to the deck, as you can see. Anyway, just thought this would give you some idea. The kitchen is fully equipped. Only thing you have to do is bring food. Has everything: mixers, whippers, beaters, blenders, you name it. Everything. And of course all the linens and so on and so forth. Anyway, thought you might like to see what this place looks like, and I will be back later. And as Pat Gondell would say, peace, ladies and gentlemen, peace.